National Board for Professional Teaching Standards. Partner Portal Video, Account Creation. Introduction. The Partner Portal is an online system designed to efficiently support third-party payers, TPPs, candidate support providers, CSPs, network users, and state agencies who partner with the National Board to support candidates. Users need to set up an account in order to access the portal. In this video, we will review: how do I create a user account in the Partner Portal? What can I do in the system as a primary contact? How do I reset my password? How do I access the Partner Portal? To create an account, visit the National Board Partner Portal sign-in page at nbptspartnerportal.pearson.com/signin. You may also access the website by scanning the QR code shown. Account creation. On the sign-in page, click the "Click Here to Sign Up" button. On the first screen, select the appropriate user type from the drop-down. Select third-party payer if you provide monetary support to candidates undergoing the certification process via the National Board. Also select this option if you are both a third-party payer and candidate support provider. If you select third-party payer, click the button for the appropriate contact type. Select third-party payer primary contact if you are a user within an organization who is responsible for determining how information regarding National Board certified teachers and candidates for National Board certification will be used, shared, and protected within the organization. Please note, an organization can have only one primary contact. Select third-party payer secondary contact if you are a user who is designated and authorized by the primary contact to use the Partner Portal. Please note, an organization can have multiple secondary contacts. Select candidate support provider if you lead or facilitate a program designed to support educators through their board certification journey. Select network user if you are the administrator of a National Board network. Please note, if there is an issue with the user type you selected during account creation, you will receive a follow-up email to restart the process. Next, complete the account form for the user type you selected. The sample provided is of a third-party payer form, and click Sign Up. Your request will be submitted for review by the administrator. Select the first name text box and type in your first name. Select the last name text box and type in your last name. Select the email text box and type in your email address. Select the phone text box and type in your phone number. If applicable, type your extension number in the following text box, labeled EXT or extension. Select the third-party payer name text box and type in the name of your third-party payer. Select the state drop-down menu and select the applicable state. The example provided is Massachusetts. Select the city text box and type in the applicable city name. Select the checkbox to confirm that you are the primary contact for your organization and that the information you entered is accurate. As an option, check Enable Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account that will automatically send a verification code to your registered email for you to enter when signing in with your username and password. You will need to sign the user agreement, which varies by user type. If you are a primary contact user, check your inbox within 7 business days for an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply at nbpts.org for next steps. If the email is not in your inbox, check your spam folder. In this email, you will be directed to the Accept User Agreement form. Complete the form and click the "Click Here to View and Accept User Agreement" button. If you are a candidate support provider or National Board Network administrator, the "Click Here to View and Accept User Agreement" button will be at the bottom of your account form. Click the Accept button to finalize digital signature. Please note the user agreement is only valid until May 15th of each year. You will receive an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply@nbpts.org 30 days prior to expiration to renew. If you do not renew, your access will be revoked, and you will be locked out of the partner portal. When you finish signing up, you will receive an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply@nbpts.org. Use the link in the email to change your password. Once you change your password, you will then be directed to the partner portal sign-in page and you will be able to sign into your account. Click the Sign Up button when you are finished. Primary contact functions. If you are a primary contact, the following functions related to account creation are available to you in the partner portal. Add secondary contacts. View and change permissions for secondary contacts. Transfer primary contact role to different user. We will now review each one of these features. Add secondary contacts. From the user management screen, click Add Secondary Contact and complete and submit the Add a Secondary Contact form. The sample provided is of a third-party payer form. Select the first name text box and type in the first name of the person you want to add. Select the last name text box and type in the last name of the person you want to add. Select the email text box and type in the email address of the person you want to add. Select the phone text box and type in the phone number of the person you want to add. If applicable, type that person's extension number in the following text box, labeled EXT or extension. Select the third-party payer drop-down menu and select the applicable name. When finished, click the Add Secondary Contact button to finalize the entry. Check your inbox within 7 business days for an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply@nbpts.org that the secondary contact is either approved or rejected. If approved, the secondary contact will receive an email to set up their account. If rejected, they will receive an email outlining next steps. View and change permissions for secondary contacts. From the user management screen, click Manage User Access. In the table of users on the next screen, the action column for each user has a Manage Access button. Click the button for the user for whom you would like to view or change permissions. Toggle on the Enable User-Specific Access button. This will bring you to the Access Information for User screen where you can edit permissions, depending on the user, a TPP, a CSP, or a network administrator. Click the Update Access button when you have changed the necessary permissions. Click the OK button to finalize your changes. Transfer primary contact role to different user. If you would like to transfer the role of primary contact from yourself to a different user, that user must first be set up as a secondary contact account as previously reviewed in Add Secondary Contacts. Once that user is a secondary contact, from the user management screen, click Primary Role Transfer. On the Primary Role Transfer screen, click Make Primary in the action column for the user you want to make a primary contact. Click the OK button to finalize your changes. Check your inbox within 7 business days for an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply@nbpts.org that will notify you that the secondary contact is now the primary contact and that you are now a secondary contact. Forgot your password function. If you forget the password to your partner portal user account or would like to change your password, click the Forgot Your Password link on the sign-in page. Then check your inbox for an email from the unmonitored sender no-reply@nbpts.org with a one-time, expiring, token to reset your password. Summary. In this video, you learned how to create a user account in the partner portal. As a primary contact, how to add/transfer a role to a secondary contact and change user permissions. How to reset your password. Contact us. For questions regarding account creation, please contact us at 877-370-1020 1524, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, or by using our partner portal web form located at nbptspartnerportal.pearson.com/sign-in. Thank you for watching.